Hi, I'm Dr. Ty Barnes out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I've been practicing for 12 years. And I'm a dentist by trade, but also a dental dork by passion. So I spend a lot of my free time reading, researching, looking into all the new trends, new technologies, and new techniques for our treatments, and that's my life. Why did I decide to be a dentist? I had always wanted to work in healthcare, and looking on the medical side, you notice that there's a lot of treatments that help people get along, whether it be managing their diabetes or heart troubles. In dentistry, you change people's lives by giving them their confidence back, their life back. And it's such an impactful thing that I couldn't resist. What's my favorite thing about my job? Probably all the lives that are changed on a daily basis. People come to us with tooth pain, infection, embarrassed smiles. They don't want to talk to people. They don't want to go into public. And then after they leave, they're smiling, they're posting things, posting selfies, getting on TikTok. So watching those lives transition and change is just amazing. So why do we place so many implants at Secure Dentures and Implants? Most of dentistry involves patching things, putting in fillings to fill in holes or crowns to restore teeth. But there really is nothing like replacing what's been lost. And implants are the only way in dentistry that we can replace the form, function, and life of teeth. And a lot of patients don't even realize that dental implants are an option for them. They can replace their teeth in the most natural feeling way possible without damaging their surrounding teeth or even completely replacing all of their teeth, sometimes gaining their function back in the same day. And so this is a phenomenal option, and we just want to help as many people as we can. What do I want patients to know about Secure Dentures and Implants? That although we push to have the latest in technology and in-house labs and materials, the main focus that we have is on the experience that our patients have when they come see us, to make sure that they feel comfortable, that they feel heard, and that their needs are taken care of, and that they have their lives improved. Hi, I'm Dr. Ty Barnes, and if you're insecure with your teeth, come see me and we'll secure your smile.